Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this video lecture. Let's take a look at this example. We want to determine if the following improper integral is convergent, and if yes, we want to find its value. Okay, so now remember, we're taking the integral from minus infinity to plus infinity. So by definition, this integral is convergent if both sides of it is convergent. So we must consider both sides of the integral. So let t be bigger than 0, and let's consider the integral from 0 to t of x e to the minus x squared dx. Okay. This integral is easy. This is minus e to the minus x squared over 2 from 0 to t, which is minus e to the minus t squared over 2 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so the limit as t goes to plus infinity of minus e to the minus t squared over 2. This is equal to 0, and of course the limit of this constant a half is equal to a half. So by the sum law for limits, so by the sum law for limits, we've got the limit as t tends to plus infinity of 0 to t of x e to the minus x squared dx is equal to 0 plus a half, which is just a half, so plus a half. Okay, so this is 1/2 of what we need to check. Now we also need to check the other half. So let t be less than 0 and consider the following. So consider the integral from t to 0 of x e to the minus x squared dx, minus x squared dx. And I will leave as an exercise that the limit as t tends to minus infinity of the integral from t to 0 x e to the minus x squared dx, this is equal to minus a half. So both of these integrals converge. So both the integrals from minus infinity to 0 x e to the minus x squared dx and integral from 0 to infinity x e to the minus x squared dx converge. And therefore the integral from minus infinity to infinity of x e to the minus x squared dx converges, and its value is plus a half minus a half, which is 0. So the value of this integral is the sum of the two sides of this integral. The first one we computed was plus a half, second one minus a half. Their sum is 0. And you can think of why this should be. If you make a plot of this function, what does it look like? So the function that sends x to x e to the minus x squared, its graph looks something like this. So it is an odd function, and this part has area minus a half, this part has area plus a half. Okay, and that is it for this example. I will see you in the next one.